Hello YouTubers, this is Blossomberry here. Just coming just to let you guys know a couple of things about what's been going on with me this cycle of Clomid. Well, as you guys can see, I'm all dressed up. I just left from my interview. The interview went well. I was able to speak with the department head, and also she felt like there was a need for the GM to meet me. So therefore, it lets me know that I gave her a great impression and she's very interested. However, I wouldn't hear anything until after she do my references checks. So hopefully I got the job. I'm praying that I do, and yeah, everything works out okay. Okay, as far as in me with my Clearblue Easy Fertility Monitor, I'm still testing at the second stage, which is the second bar as in high, so I'm still high. According to my PB sticks, I am actually ovulating. I keep getting real strong positive. Got one earlier this morning, and I got one last night around about 10:30 before I went to bed. However, I do believe, guys, that I have already ovulated. I believe I ovulated on the 20th, between the 20th and the 21st. Therefore, that would put me at 1 day DPO or a couple of days DPO. I really haven't did it yet, but that'll put me at a couple of days DPO going into my 2-week wait. Now, during my 2-week wait, I have decided not to take any of the vitamins that I was currently taking, except for my prenatal pill and my folic acid. Those are the only two things that I'm taking now, is my prenatal pill and the folic acid. On the 3rd day of DPO, then I will start to do my progesterone, and I'm going to be doing 200 per day. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do 1 per day or 2 per day. But I think I'm going to go ahead. I really do have a strong feeling that I'm going to go towards the twice per day, so that'll be a total of 200. And the progesterone that I'm taking is Prometra, and I will be using it vaginally. And yeah, so that's it. I also wanted to let you ladies know that I'm going to be posting up a video. I'm going to be one of the group leaders of Mocha Moms. And Mocha Moms are to encourage, develop, and maybe sometimes equip women who are interested in breastfeeding while trying to conceive. So I know a lot of you guys prefer to bottle feed because it's more convenient. You may have 2 or 3 jobs and just don't have the time to breastfeed, but I think that it's real close to my heart, something that I am very interested in doing once I conceive. And I believe if you can produce something, why not nurture it too? And I think it's just healthy for the babies, but I will get back to you guys with more of that at a later date. But other than that, I'm doing fine. I did have a little ovarian cramps, little small achy cramps, as if Aunt Flo was going on. My breast stopped aching a couple of days ago, but last night I did feel them aching last night. So hopefully implantation is starting to, or something is going on in here to start implantation. If not, I am looking forward to the next cycle. I kind of believe that I am pregnant, because I do remember when I conceived last year on my 2nd round of Clomid, doing the OPK testing part, I was testing positive on my OPKs for about like a week or even more, up until the time that I took my my home pregnancy test. And I'm like, wow, I'm testing positive on the OPK, and when I took the home pregnancy test, I got my BFP, and then I later got it confirmed. So yeah, that's what's up. So I don't know if any one of you guys have ever experienced anything like that or have ever heard of if you continue to test positive on your OPK, then you may be pregnant. That's a good thing, but just FYI, you know, but yeah, I'm excited, and I just can't wait to see how things work out. Until then, this is the new me, guys. I haven't weighed myself yet, but I will be getting to that next week, and I'll be doing a video about that as well. But as you can see, I'm slimming down. I haven't yet exercised, so I'm trying to go exercise, and I'm looking good today. So, thought I'd show you guys. Alright, toodles.